Hi, this is Bersheba Austin, Alabama Chapter President of Ipma-Hr Southern Region, here at Southern Region Ipma Conference in Birmingham, Alabama. Just finished a wonderful presentation by Karim, Ellis, one of the most thought-provoking, engaging presentation our chapter region has actually experienced. Karim's presentation kept our audience engaged. It was exciting, thought-provoking, and left our participants walking away with mind-provoking thoughts to help encourage them that their mindset determines their destiny, and we really appreciate it, and I really believe that his presentation today is going to be life-changing for so many of us in HR, and it was uplifting. And if you ever have an opportunity to invite Karim Ellis to your organization, I recommend him 5 stars out of 5.